In front of me is Nubia Red Magic Astra gaming tablet, and today I would like to show you how you can check a password in Passwords Manager. First of all, go into Settings and scroll all the way down to tap on this section called Users and Accounts. Then tap on Open under Google. Click on the Google Password Manager and select any password you wanna check by clicking on it. Enter your screen lock. Tap on this eye icon next to your password and this way make it visible. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!